Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are getting stuck under that Fibonacci level that I did talk about in the previous videos. You can see here I've obviously drawn the Fibonacci from the high of the bull market up here down to the current low of this bear market. You can obviously see some bear market resistances being broken, as we've said a bunch of times now. The breakout back test, and then obviously since the new year we've had a pretty decent move to the upside, haven't we, to be honest, from this swing low here with the low volume and interest in the markets. After losing this range low as well, you can see the range here, range low lost. We came down, obviously the overextension to the downside, but then we got the bounce, you know, the rejection, but then came back inside the range. Everyone knows about my long position here that I entered and got a nice profit from, and now really, as I said before, heading up towards the top of the range again, in my opinion. You can see here currently sitting at around 3 cents right now. That obviously being a big psychological resistance, being a round number, as well as sitting on that 0.23 Fibonacci. Right now, Vechain looking like it's kind of coiling up in this area, really, isn't it? You can see really we've come up back inside the range quite clearly on the charts here. We came back down and back tested that area down at around 2.1 cents near the bottom of the range, and then we got that nice straight break upwards, I should say, sorry, up to the upside here, breaking out of that swing high area that was a resistance at around 2.7 cents on the chart here, and really running up to the next overall resistance after smashing that swing high, that previous local swing high, heading up towards that 0.23 where we are currently coiling up, having a little bit of a rejection. You can see here for Vechain we're having a little bit of sideways action right now, as you can see quite clearly. If I just drew a trend line here, you can see, you know, basically we're probably doing a little bit of something like this, where we're just coming back down after getting a bit overextended from the trend line. We bounced there, and now looking like potentially just getting a little bit of consolidation before that continuation to the upside. I do think we'll probably see continuation, considering how bullish the market does seem to be at the minute, although we are stuck under quite a significant resistance here. But potentially, as I've said before, not getting ahead of myself with bull market talk, but I do think we are showing signs of life here for Vechain. You can see it very clearly, really, that we are essentially coming up. We're making a new swing high, so this is a higher high now rather than another higher low in the local area. So if we come up to the top of the range here, make a higher high, come down, make a higher low, maybe at the bottom of the range again, and then get the breakout continuation like something like this, heading up towards 4.6 cents after breaking out of the top of the range at around 3.4 cents. I think we could easily see a nice little reversal of the, you know, the bearish structure we've seen for a long time for Vechain. Obviously Vechain been getting smashed down even more than a lot of other altcoins. Really, it has been underperforming, to be honest. Even now, if I just measure this from the high of the bull market to the current price, we're still down around 90% here, with that extension down to around 95% correction. Obviously these are the numbers that you do tend to see before bear markets end. I'm not saying the bear market is over by any stretch of the imagination, but I do think that we are getting pretty close to some major relief in the markets, and you can see that reflected in the charts currently. So as I said before, now that we're back inside of this range, I will just be trading the range until it breaks. So anyway, heading towards the range high at 3.4 cents, I'll be putting a short in, a major area of resistance in this area in my opinion. And if we do head back down to that 2.2 cent level at the bottom of the range, I'll be putting longs in until we see it broken. So that is it for today, guys. That is my analysis. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member. You can join via the join button just down below. Basically, you get access to the private Discord. You can join some other investors, and we're just going to be hanging out, having some fun. So if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a member. It would really help me out, and I'll see you in the next video.